Today I am going to make a satellite using trash, and these are the materials to make the satellite. So let's get started. Now my satellite is completed. The name of my satellite is Alpha Satellite from India. The work of this satellite is asteroid hunting and to collect information from space. These are the radar of the satellites. These between are the shooters of the satellite. These two are panels that charge the satellite through solar energy. This is the dish that collects information through space. These two are the sensors, and this is the main body. This bottom part is the stand of the satellite to keep it in place. Thank you. Have a nice day.